In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put borders in Google Docs in a clean and simple way. Whether you're designing a project for school, formatting a professional document, or you simply want your page to stand out, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Borders can make your content look polished and organized, so let's set them up the right way. First, open your Google Docs file and head to the page where you want to add your border. Once you're there, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. After clicking Insert, hover over Table and select the very first option, the 1x1 table. This gives you a single empty box that will act as your border. Next, click and drag the edges of the table to stretch it across the entire page. You'll notice small blue handles around the box. Use these to adjust the height and width until your border covers the whole page or fits the style you want. This method works because Google Docs doesn't have a built-in page border feature, so using a table is the easiest workaround. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your table lines are visible by going to the toolbar and selecting the border color option. You can choose black for a classic look or pick any color that matches your project. You can also adjust the border thickness to make it thinner or thicker depending on your design. Doing these adjustments beforehand can help you save time and avoid re-editing later. Once you've completed these steps, click inside the box and begin adding your text or any material you want inside the border. After that, you should be able to format the page beautifully without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to check the spacing around the edges. Sometimes reducing the table's internal padding can make your content look more balanced and professional. You can do this by right-clicking the table, selecting Table Properties, and adjusting the cell padding. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add borders in Google Docs easily and efficiently. Borders are perfect for certificates, assignments, flyers, and so much more. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?